Yo, what's going on, everybody? It has been a while since my last video. Been too long, but today I'm going to be going over is the stock market going to crash? Because I think we're at a very pivotal moment right now, and I think it'd be a great time for a video. And I want to start making these every day on the day trading time frame level, just for my help. Like I feel like if you teach something, you understand it better. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm not trying to be like a YouTube influencer. I've never tried to be that because I just want to stick to one thing, and that's trading and investing. I don't want to start, I don't want to go down the entrepreneurship rabbit hole. Anyways, this is what we're going over today. Is the stock market going to crash? Let's find out. Let's jump into the charts, guys. Let's take a look. So let's back it up to right here. This is the COVID-19 drop. And boy, we dropped a lot. And then we came back up a lot more. And then we went down, and everyone was so fearful right here, all the way on the way down. Everyone was so fearful. And we do rise. Partially, it looks kind of weak in my opinion. And now we're starting to go down again, which honestly looks kind of scary. But I think we are at a very big support level, technically. So let's take a look at all the levels right now. First of all, actually, let me show you all my trades in the past 3 years when it comes to like the high time frame. This chart right here, the bigger time frame. So let's take a look at that. I've only taken 3 trades on this big chart, and the first one was when we were coming up from this, and everyone was super bullish. Everyone was buying, and this is the time to sell. I mean, obviously, you got to time it right because you can't sell right here. I took a little short when we dropped. We retraced back up to a good level, and then we dropped a little bit more. So I took some profits right there, and it was a small winning trade. Um, and then I got stopped out at break even, or something like that. So no losses there. Almost caught it. We came up again. Boom. That's the start of the new year of 2022. We crashed hard down here. We went back up, and this is the 61.8% retracement, as well as some other resistance levels right here. I'm not going to dive into like the technical side of it too hard, but then I took this short right here. It was a very easy short in my opinion, and it played out very good. And I sold it. We did come back up a little bit and then crashed completely. And my last trade was this long right here. I know there was a lot of fear. There was a lot of fear at this level because like we've been going up for so long. And there was some support right here and all that. So in the short, once it was over, I pulled the long and we went up right back up to the around this level. And that was a good solid one. And from there, we went down. And let me show you my technical analysis for all of this. Let me get rid of some of this. I hide it. Let's just delete it. Okay, so let's just focus on these green numbers right here. So these are waves. These are Elliott waves. So we went down one wave, up another. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is a common pattern, which many people forget. When we go down 5 waves like this, we tend to go up 3. Then we go up A, B, C as a retracement wave. So down 5, up 3. And then usually back down 5 again. So we'll see exactly, what goes there, what goes on there. But as we were coming down here on this 5th wave, everyone was so fearful. However, it offered a good long, a good buy, and we did go up. Now we come back up here, we put in the A, B, C retracement. So we could be putting down another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, on a smaller time frame, we are putting in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, which is the same as this, just a little bit smaller right here. So you'd expect, based on this, to go up to at least like right here. So locally, I am kind of bullish. Like I do expect it to go up. There are other reasons too, as well as this high time frame point of control. This is all contracts traded on this section of the chart right here. And the highest point of that is right here, exactly where we are, exactly where we bounced off from. And I'm not going to explain why this level is important, but it really isn't. It's a huge level. Um, so I would not short. Um, when we're like literally tapping this level right here. So that's another reason. Um, a third confluence is like look at all these order blocks right here. Like there's orders, wicks, wicks, wicks. It's just a respected level already. It's also the base of this pump right here. When we come back down to this base, it's generally like a level that you want to look out for. So that's like four reasons. We have a fifth reason, and this is called a Fibonacci. It's the 32.8% retracement of this move right here. And that's typically what you want to hold if you're going to continue to go up. So there's like five reasons right here why you'd want a long. I'm not gonna do it because I just don't trade. Like I'm more of a day trader. I don't like to trade like this. I mean, maybe I will take this trade. Maybe I will buy right here, but you also have to consider the fundamentals of the market. And I don't think they're the best right now. However, I would definitely not short the market. I would definitely like not sell right here. That's for sure. I'd give it some time. I'd give it at least a little rise right here before I would consider shorting again. But that's the upward perspective. So go down here and maybe come up to like right here. That's what I could say. If we're going up, I'd look to at least like around this level. And let's look at the like if we were to just to go down. So let me clear the chart up a bit. Okay, so these are the waves: up wave, down wave, up wave. If we are in a down wave right now, you'd expect it to be at least this big. So if we took this wave right here, this downward wave, and we pasted it right here, we would come down to right here exactly. Time-wise, it'd be right here, and price-wise, it would be right here. So this is a pretty good level in my opinion, not just based on that, but because it's literally like the top, around the top of the COVID drop, which I think it would be a nice level. There's also kind of an order block range right here, which is like, I'm not going to explain why, but that's also a level. And this liquidity right here, if we break this low, if we come down and we break this low right here, think about how many people will be scared. Everyone's going to be selling like, oh, this is it, this is the crash. And generally, that is when you buy it. So I think this is a pretty good level. Um, So if we were to come down here, not hold the support, let's say we don't go up to at least right here, say we just go around here, bounce, and then go down a bit. If we were to go down to around right here, I'd expect probably a full retracement back down to here. And this is probably a spot where I would actually pull a trade and look to buy. So this is my analysis. And yeah, I'm not doing anything right now. I'm going to wait for that level. Potentially, yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Um, and yeah, I don't know anything about the fundamentals really. I don't really study that because I'm more of a day trader. I am a day trader. So I just be careful. But I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys around.